Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do an update here for Ethereum. So Ethereum right now is trading at $3,330. Now the price itself has shown a very strong rebound from our 76% of our fib at 3169. So it does signal continuous bullish momentum as we broke out from that consolidation range. So consolidation here, we can see the resistance was around 3220 down to an area of the support of just shy of 3000. So as we break out through this consolidation range, we do want to monitor very quickly on how the breakout corresponds to this new high. And essentially here is what we want to make sure is we're able to rebound and hold on to support either on moving averages or resistance turned into support. So most importantly here in the 20 moving average, we want to make sure this correction comes nicely down to 3,255. Or we can retest this area of resistance turned into support at 3,220. So just like couple of dollars here, but essentially if we're able to hold on to these areas of support, we're able to come up and retest our area of resistance at 3,443. Taking a look at some of our indicators here to kind of take a look at some of our signs, we can see that the RSI itself is sitting around 63%. So this indicates that Ethereum is nearing the overbought conditions, but hasn't quite exacerbated that overbought signal, because in the recent 4-hour time frames, we can see overbought for Ethereum depending on how big the volume and the momentum of other indicators can reach up to 60 or 83%. My correction here. Now, as we can see with the RSI, their signal line is still continuing to go upwards in this angled 4-hour time frame. So it does kind of show us a hint that the bullish momentum may be continuing. And we do see as well as this cloud cover of our green candlestick compared to the red candlestick. So we do see some momentum itself in terms of the candlesticks. But what may throw us back is the volume itself, because we can see that the volume here has been very stagnant. It hasn't really moved at all, or it hasn't really increased, especially if we're taking a look at when we try to break through that next area of resistance. We can see here the volume stayed very flat in terms of our histograms of our MACD indicator, very light in color as well. But most importantly, these smaller bodies does show a lot of indecision in the marketplace, especially if it is observed at a very high peak. Now, if Ethereum does sustain its upward momentum with increased volume, it must break around the the $3,400 price point. And that's where these high wick candlesticks we're finding a little struggle in breaking. And if we're able to break through that consistently here, with candlesticks above that level, then it is going to be realistic that we are going to be breaking the 3,443. But on the downside, because we are seeing possibly overbought signals, the momentum of our MACD indicator, we may come back down and retest our areas of support at our 20 MA, and most importantly, we're going to see if this resistance is going to turn into support. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.